Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today we are going to be working on my waterfall journal. It's getting pretty junky monkey, but there's a few more things that I'd like to add to it, so we might actually get done with it today. We will see. So, all right, so I was playing with it a little bit. I did add this. It was a cut off from a card that I had used, but I put it in there so that it's like a little tuck there, so I can put a tag in there, little note or something. And then I did this, just a little decoration for that. I thought the colors went well with that. I did also put in a spot where you can tuck something if you want to, and I'm fine with them sticking out a little farther in this, since I've done this with a couple things where they're sticking out. I haven't decided if I want to put something in there myself or we'll just leave it for later. So, all right, so I pretty much got stuff we can write on there. Don't know if I want to put any on there yet. This is done. These are done. This we might want to decorate at some point, or we might just leave it in there like that. You guys are pretty much done. I could tuck something in there. Oh, I need something for there at some point, because I did fill this one. All right, this one's done. And oh, I wanted to add that. So I have this that I created, which has a blank in the back with the label, and then I've got these cards that are from a masterboard that I did. And I thought these would be kind of cool in there, like that, and tucked in. All right, so let's just move this just a little bit out of the way here. All right, so I do have a couple things here I was thinking would look nice. I was thinking this might be nice on here because of the pink. And maybe a stamp up here, because there's a stamp down there. I don't want to put too much on there, because it's got to slide into the spot. So I think I just might keep this simple. Try to get those little knobs that are sticking off the end here, because those are the things that are going to want to get caught on things. Oh, center. Boom, 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 boom. So how is your day going today? Hopefully well. I have been trying to get a few videos done. My husband is visiting his sister today, so the house is to myself and the dog. So hopefully, I'm not sure what time he's coming home, but all of a sudden you hear rambunctious barking, he's probably home. So, okay. Yeah, I like that. Like, so maybe a stamp. I do have these little guys, which I thought were kind of cool, but I'm thinking maybe oh, this might be interesting. But is it too big? I think it might be too big. All right, let's see if I can find a stamp. You know, a stamp. Let's see. Do I have any yellow ones? Do I have any yellow ones? Well, can't be visiting a man on the moon, because that would be just weird. Being this is vintagey. No man on the moon vintage. That's maybe too orange. How about an old locomotive train? That could be fun. Oh, I like that. Okay. Locomotive train it is. And not even like pre-locomotive train. Yeah. All right, so let's get some glue on there. I know most stamps go on the top, but I like it down there. Yeah. Okay, so this thing, I was thinking about putting, I put some of my washi tape on here and I wrapped it around. So I was thinking one of these. Free estimate. Well, here's a little locomobile. That could be kind of fun. I got the locomotive on there too. Yeah. Okay. And maybe a label across the top there. Looking a little plain across the top. So I see this sticking to the top. Too much of the same color. Too much of the same. Now that I'm doing these, label might not be my answer. Or is it because of that? You're gonna throw a little ink on there and see what it looks like. Yes, that is a yes. All right, I think I'll try some with that color back there too, so I think I'm gonna leave it blank. I like that little dude peeking his head out. That's cute. Okay. All right, I also had, oh, this is kind of cool. Now, isn't it amazing how some of these things pop out? Like they jump out saying, use me. And I say, okay. All right, so what I was saying was I found this. It's got some pinkish tones. I thought it'd be kind of cool on there. So I'm gonna do a little nip and tuck of the corners because it's looking a little too new. And throw a little ink on the edge because it's one of those Tim Holtz chipboardy kind of things, and it's a little thicker, so you see quite a bit of white on the outside. I was thinking put that there. That could be fun, but now that I found what really wants to be out here, I think maybe I throw that like that. Okay. Helpful. Usually I'm looking for the pen because I don't have it. No. All right, we'll throw it there. And we'll throw a little glue on this. A little angle for some fun. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Okay. Get a little bit of my vintage tape here. All right. Do I want to cut this in half or use it whole? I think I'm going to use it whole. Yeah, cute. Okay, all right, another page done. Yeah, I like with the letters there. I thought a floral would be nice with that kind of a scripty font on there, so I thought that would be good. So I'm liking it. I am liking it. Okay, probably totally out of camera while I was putting it in there. Yeah, I definitely. Timber. Yeah, I like that house with that. That is cool. Okay. All right. I don't think I have something for that. I did have something for, was it this? I found this card that I made my flip-flop tuck, and I found the postcard. It's not really a postcard, it's more of an invoice that I had backed, and I thought that was a perfect one for that. I think, was I going to put it here? No, that looks too busy. I was going to put it here. But I think I might put it farther out because the center's getting a little chunky there. All right, but to decorate this, now since this says apples on there, I have a book on a Hummel book that had, it was like the first page I opened up with this little girl with apples, and then I've got an apple book, or a fruit book, heirloom fruit book. And I thought this would be cool on there. So let us put both of those on there and maybe find a little label to go across there eventually. All right, we're gonna, it says Royal Corset Company. We don't want the Royal Corset Company to show, but I'll put the label across there. I want the little girl peeking out and the apples to peek out when it's done. So, okay, we will figure that out. All right, so you are gonna go like right there. A little glue on top, get rid of that, there we go. And then my little Hummel girl. Very cute. Okay, some sort of label there. Let's see, paid by check. If I want a beige one now that I'm looking at the beige ones. Get those back in there. I wonder if some of these more orangey ones would be kind of cool. Yeah, that would be better, I think. I like the orangey one better. Okay. Go with your gut when you find something is my motto. Okay, just want to get rid of that white and a little bit of a little plastic surgery, a little nip and tuck of the corners, a little fake tan. And we will cover up the Corset Company. Do I want to wrap it around? I don't know. I don't know. Don't think I do. Because we're really not going to show anything on that side. So we are going to... Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Get the white edges a little better. And we'll stick that in there. Oh yeah, cute. The apple on her, the bell apples, beautiful. All right. So since this is getting full anyway, I think I'm just gonna center this, place to right, and I'm not gonna make it a tuck or a, pocket. But it's totally doable to do that with this flip-flop tuck thing. So I'm just gonna put glue in the center and we're gonna, come on. We will do this and I will put it on the page. Okay, so we'll get this glued down in the center. Oop, I guess somebody's home. Pull this down, probably, again, not showing you what's going on. Okay, so yeah, very cute. All right, I'm going to pause the video and be right back. Okay, I am back. So I was thinking about adding this pocket that I created from the Edith Holden book pages that I sewed around. Very cute. I like that it's got the black and white. It has the ads on it, kind of like this has the ads on it. So I thought I'd put that in here. A little juxtaposition with the flower and the crow and the whiskey. And then I have this as a card to go in there. It does have pansy and the flowers, so I thought this lavender perfume, lavender salts, with a little bit of flowers, and the pink would be good. Seems to be, I've been throwing a few pink things in there, and I'll put that as a pocket to go into the pocket. So we will go ahead and glue this in. I don't know if you can hear that, the good old ricocheting against the... All right, I think I definitely want to keep the pansy showing, so we'll put it right there. Okay. Okay, well that will slip right in there. Cute. I also want to point out, I did put some of my tape also on the corner there, so it looks like it's taped on. I thought that was kind of cute for that. So, all right, that's done. Okay, so now the reason I did that quickly is because I really wanted to do this next part on camera. Adding a label to a tag is not exactly exciting, so. All right, so I have one of these flip outs that I've done a video on for. I have one of them in a Dragonfly journal. I believe it was my Dragonfly. No, I put it in my bee journal where they flip out. So I was thinking about putting it in here so that it would kind of land like this in the middle, so I could keep it out if I wanted, or have it fold back in to it like that. So yeah. All right, so I'm going to move this out of the way. Plus I'm letting my birdie dry. And decorate it. So I found these things. And again, I have a little bit of that touch of pink in there that has like the flower. And I've had a couple. This is actually a smaller card of that one tuck that we just recently did. So I was thinking about putting this in the middle because if I want to pull it out like this, it looks okay. And then if I want to put it like this, it looks okay. So I think I want to do that. And we'll just ink that. So this was a pretty easy thought for this. And it still kind of shows some of the advertisement that's in there. So yes, we're definitely going to do that. And this is a little thicker, but I think I'm going to do some of that glue in the center and some of this glue around the outside. It was hard to find something that I felt would look good in both directions. And then I ran across this and it had a little bit of pink in there, and I'm like, bingo, you are the winner. Yeah, that is cute. Okay. All right, so I got these other items that I thought would work too. This is a little advertisement for apparel. I thought that might be interesting. Put that on there. Even the people. That might be. She had pink on. I thought she'd be kind of cool. Chop a little bit of that top off. That might be interesting. A petite journal. Maybe put that in the back. Shelf and heavy hardware. That could be kind of cool. Yeah, I think that might be it. I don't think I really need any more of this stuff. Marshall and Ball. I think you're too big. I like Petite Journal. It's a little petite pink too. Kind of really wanted to use that, but I might be able to put that on one of my postcards that I haven't filled out yet. So let's do this. Okay. Let's ink. Ink-a-dink-a-doo. And get you a little inky. This glue stick is about to be done. Okay. La petite Janelle. Drop that down a little bit so I can see the cute bow on the little girl. This one, I think we're gonna do the same glue in the center and glue on the outside. Glue pages get a little sticky. Okay. Want to make sure they're good and stuck down, because when they open and close, we don't want them lifting up at all. And you've got a little too much white on the side here, so we're gonna trim you down ever so slightly. Okay. Timber. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay. So yeah, so if I have it go flip up like that, this still is readable. If I have it do that, that's readable. I think I want to put a little tape right there because I didn't put it as far over as I'd like. And it's kind of bothering me. It's kind of bothering me. So let's put a little, yeah, that's a little better. I like that. Yeah, okay. Get these tipped out of the way a little bit, get the book back. All right, so like I said, I want it to end before the flap. So we're gonna glue the dickens out of this one so that it doesn't move around. Okay, push on this for a minute, get that all squished down. Yeah, it's nice that this page is longer because normally it flies out and I have to close it, but this is fine this way. Yeah, I like it. I have my little bird pockets looking cute, so yeah, I like it. All right, so there was that one, this one. Can I put some more ladies on here? Let's do this. That's where it's gonna end up being. All right, let's ink that up and see what it looks like. necessarily like that. That might be better. Just a little too big, I think. Yeah, that fits much better. Yeah, I think I can do that. Thank goodness this glue moves a little bit more. As you want to go ahead and shift something after you laid it down. Yeah, there we go. I like that. Okay. All right, so this one, oh, stay in there. I didn't tuck it all the way in before because it was kind of wet, so now it's tucked in good. And this right here, I decorated them, and I decorated that, but I never did anything with this. But it's kind of decorated a lot as it is. That could be kind of cool on there. You are way too big. I mean, there's nothing wrong with just leaving a masterboard, but I mean, I pulled it out of the box, right? And the free candy for the children kind of ties in, right? Yeah. Cute. Tuck that out since I got more room on this one. Yeah. Okay. I'm bound and determined to get J. Marshall Ball to go somebody, aren't I? I need a tag for that. And that's my answer to where this or this can go, is I will put a tag in there. Around these corners, especially since this one seems to be coming up anyway. Swamp prairies too. Or do I cover it up? Not sure what this ad was when I put it on there, why there was swamps and prairies, but it's kind of funny. All right, so if I put that, maybe, do I have something? Household furniture with the house. Maybe throw the house on there. Cameras. Edison polyphone. Phonograph polyphone, or the car. Okay, let's glue that down and make a decision. And then I think I'm going to call this done. All right, so we are covering up that label, but that's okay. Oh my goodness gracious me, did I get a big goober on that one. Holy cow. These things are wonderful. Got it at the dollar store, $1.25 store in the craft section. Takes off glue. Yeah. Okay. All right, so household furniture with the house. I think that's what we're gonna go with. Yeah. Ink the edge. Swamps and prairies with the butterflies. I say why not? Right? I say why not? This Marshall and Ball is going to be the death of me here. You know, it's going there. Why? I don't know. But I think it's kind of fun that it's covering up two of the letters exactly like it belongs in there. Ah, I say, huh. Yeah, okay, all right. I think I'm going to call this done, mainly because it is pretty big and it still closes, but it is definitely pretty big. So let's do a final flip through, and I seem to have lost my cap. I heard it fall earlier and it's blue, so I'll track it down. Okay, so all right, so we started off with, put this up here a little. I put some of my washi tape there. It is a pocket to stick something in. That is a pocket to stick something in. Just some nice, you could add some pictures to that or something else. My J. Marshall ball. A little side tuck here. Let me get a card out here so I can show them if they are places. So this one's too big, obviously, but a little place to stick a card in there. Can add some decoration to that. This was a place to stick a tag if we want to also. There's a little pocket there. This is also a belly band if it's wanted. Place to write, another place to write. This has a journal card in it. And another place to write something. Sticking out the little grocery store. Cute little girls with some tags. And another place to throw some fun stuff in there. This has a little spot right in here. Could stick another card in that way. I did it that way, but could always go and put another one in there. Tuck something in there. Another place to write. And we just finished that one. Yeah, that looks cute. I like that. Probably could have rounded the corners, but that is okay. Yeah. And then this we had in there before with the flip and a place to tuck something. Just added this in there to finish that off. Had this in before. Looks like I need to throw a little bit of glue under the owl's feet. All right, cute. Okay, little check stub in there that can be written on, nice and long. All right, we worked on this today. So it's got a tuck in the back with a label on there. I like that tray. We'll tuck that in. Oops, there's another place to glue. All right, so that'll glue down. Tuck that in. And we worked on that one today. I like the apples, that is cute. How about them apples? A little place to write. And this was in before. I like this one because this journal card could have probably never went anywhere else because it was huge. It's like 9.5 inches tall. So I like that I was able to put that in there, and how it sticks out. Love that. Nothing there, but that just has some fun stuff on there. More of that pink card that I put in a couple places. We added that up today. And put that in with that journal card today, as well as the lovely flip out. We can keep it like that, which is cute. We can flip it like that, which is cute. And we can flip it up if we want to take a look at it. And also, so yeah, fun. I love it. Okay, well, I am quite excited to say that this is finished. Waterfall journal. I love it. It's definitely chunkier than I thought it would be, but that was making fun. So, all right, one little pin in there, and we are going to call this one a day. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and would like to see future videos, please go ahead and click the bell notification to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video and like the series on the waterfall, give me a thumbs up. I have a couple more journals in mind that I'll be working on, a sunflower journal, and then I've got a collab coming up in a couple weeks that is a fall book theme journal. I'm getting quite excited to working on that. And as usual, I appreciate you stopping by so much. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful and creative day. Bye now.